All right, we're working on the molar mass quiz. This is the molar mass quiz. All right, so ZnOH2, we're gonna write down what elements we see. Who can tell me in the chat or unmute themselves how many zincs there are in this compound? How many ZNs are there in this compound? Good, Brian. 1. Good job. And how many oxygens? 2. Good job, good job, good job. We know it's 2 because we have 2 times the invisible 1, right? So now tell me how many hydrogens there are. Good morning, Paris. Good, good. Paris, we are working our molar mass quiz. Go ahead and pull this up. It is in the week 13, Monday, Tuesday folder. Good job, everybody. All right, so we have 2 of these. Now we need to go find the mass on the periodic table. Scroll up a little bit and grab that periodic table that I dropped in the chat. Go ahead and grab that periodic table that I dropped in the chat. And someone tell me, what is the mass of Zn? What is the mass? Good job. 65.39. Good. And the mass of oxygen? Good job, Daniel. And the mass of hydrogen? Good. Okay. Is everybody pretty good up to that point? All we did was find the mass on the periodic table. Uh-oh, where'd baby girl go? Anthony! Hey, Anthony. Okay, we're good up to this point. Fantastic. All right, now let's see if we can find, when we multiply, what do we get? So 1 times 65.39. So that's 65.39. And now let's multiply 2 times 15.999. What do you get when you multiply 2 times 15.999? What do you get when you multiply those two? Good. All right. Now, 2 times 1.008. What's my next step? What is my next step? Good. All right, I need at least three people to get me my final answer. At least 3 people to get me a final answer. All right, we got 1 answer. So all I'm doing is adding these numbers. All I'm doing is adding these numbers. So you should have a calculator. Does everybody have their calculator? And you're typing in these numbers. All right, who's got an answer for me? Lydia's got an answer, okay. Brian's got an answer, okay. Daniel's got an answer, and you all agree with each other. Good, good. The final answer here, we get 99.404. And then to write our answer, how many digits does it ask us for? It's for 4 digits, which means I need 4 of these bad boys. So my final answer is going to be 99.40 grams. Do not put the unit, just put the number. Sean! Hey, Sean. Probably should be currently doing your molar mass quiz. So, all right, number 2. Number 2, Cl2. Cl2, what am I gonna do? Write down my elements that's in this compound. Chlorine. How many chlorines are in CO2? Good, Brian. And what is the mass of chlorine? What is the mass of chlorine? Mm-hmm. Now we're going to multiply. Okay. And there's nothing to add because we only have one compound. So our question tells us to have 2 digits. So our final answer needs 2 digits. We look at the third. That 9 will push the 0 up to 1. So our final answer will be 71. Okay. I hope you're writing down all this work because you're going to have to upload a picture of it. I hope you've been writing all this down. All right. MgOH3. First, I'm going to write down my elements. What elements are in MgOH3? What elements are in MgOH3? Good. How many oxygens and how many hydrogens? Good. Way to work, Lydia. Great. All right. Now I need to find the mass on the periodic table. Lydia, find magnesium for me. And we know hydrogen is 1.008. Good morning, Anna. You just walked in. We are taking our molar mass quiz, week 13, folder, Monday and Tuesday assignment. All right, who's got me? What's the mass of magnesium? Good, Lydia. Fantastic. Good job. All right, now we're going to multiply. 1 times anything is itself. 3 times 15.999. 47.997. What's 3 times 1.008? 3 times 1.008. 3 times 1.008. 3 times 1.008. Good. Good job. All right, last step, best step. We're gonna add. What do you get when you add these together? Good job. Add them up, add them up, add them up. What do you get when you add them up? Add them up, add them up, add them up. What do you get when you add them up? Add them up. What do you get when you add them up? Add them, add them, add them up. What do you get when you add them up? Yeah. That's what I got. So now we need to see how many digits does our question call for. Our question says we need 3 digits. So we have 1, 2, 3 digits. So we look at the 4, the 2, we'll keep the 3. So our final answer is 75.3. Good job. Okay. Let us do number 4. C3, Cl2, F2. First thing I'm going to do is write down the elements. So I write those down. What do I do now? I got to count them. Now I need to count them. How many C's are there? Good, good. Thank you. Thank you for reading my mind, Cameron. Love it when that happens. Good, good, good. So there are 3 carbons, 2 chlorines, and 2 fluorines. All right, so go ahead and find me my mass of carbon, chlorine, and fluorine. All right, the mass of carbon. Did you find it? So even if you have already taken this, you should be doing this with us, right? Thank you. 12.011. Yes. You should be doing this with us because some of you guys did not pass it when you took it. So we're all just doing this together. All right. Good. My mass of chlorine, we already found it once. 30. You guys see this? 35.453. And the mass of fluorine. Thank you. Thank you. Good job. What do I do now? What do I do now? Do do. Yes, we multiply. Do do. Do do. Do. What do you get for your final answer? Zero, zero. What do you get for your final answer? Get me a final answer. Some of you guys have not even opened the quiz on the Schoologies. I'm a little concerned. Good job, Michaela. Good job, Brian. How many I think it says 3, doesn't it? 3-digit answer. So our final answer, or our answer here, 35, but we need 3 digits. So we're gonna look at the 4, and that 9 is gonna push the 4 up. So we have 145. Good job, you two. And everybody else who didn't just didn't put in the chat. Good job. Last one. What is the last compound? What is the last compound? Beauty. What is the last compound? Yes. 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 Good. H. Just want to make sure you're with me. HPO4. How many hydrogens do we have? Good. How many phosphoruses do we have? Good. 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 The mass of hydrogen. Cameron, go ahead and find the mass of phosphorus. Phosphorus. 008. Oxygen, we know, is 15.999. What is phosphorus? Good. We'll have a good teamwork moment. 30.974. Multiplicar. 15.999 times 4. And what do you get as your final answer? Kayla got 95.978. Anybody agree with her? Does it ask for 2 digits? Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm. Two-digit answer. Good job, Brian. Going to be 96. Your paper should look like this. Put your name under here, Stanley, and your email address. Yes, good, Lydia, good, good. Okay, now we're going to click next. You're going to use that link. We're going to upload our work right now. Right now. Let's go ahead and let's take pictures of our work. When you've uploaded your work, give me a thumbs up. Uploaded and submitted your quiz. Give me a thumbs up. Rocking it out, Michaela. Good stuff, good stuff. I like to see it. Woo, look at all these grades coming in my grade book. Nice. Nice. Upload. Good job, good job, good job. When you've uploaded and submitted your quiz, give me a thumbs up. A thumbs up. That is so good. Connection isn't the best. Where do we submit the work for the quiz? What you're going to do is there's this link. That's fine. There's a link on that next part of the quiz. You see it? Let me stop sharing and reshare this page. Okay, so you click this link right there, and it'll bring you to a Microsoft form. And what you'll do is you will upload your work there. So you'll take a picture of it and then you can just attach it. And if that doesn't work, you can email it to yourself and then do it that way. Okay. Go ahead and press submit though on the quiz, and then we can get your work in later. Okay. Go ahead and press submit. And since we talked, it'll be okay. Okay. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's see what we need to do next. I'm waiting on some thumbs up saying you have submitted the quiz. Everybody should at some point be giving me a thumbs up for having submitted the quiz. Thumbs up all the way around the room. Let's see who submitted the quiz. Yes, yes, yes. I love to see all of this. I'm emailing myself, so it's going to be a minute submitted quiz. That is fine. We're still writing. Okay, that's fine. Thank you for keeping me updated because I just don't know what's been going on. Me myself, so I'm going to be a minute submitting quiz. That's fine. Take your time. Take your time. I see lots of good work on my screen right now. Lots of things I like to see. Lots of things I like to see. Michaela, you said you submitted yours. Let me see if it's gonna show up.
I can send you pictures of it, the screen after I submitted it, because I know I did.
Oh, don't, girl, I know you did too. You did. My computer takes a while for me to get that you submitted it. So don't sweat that at all. I just got it. Boom. And guess who graded it? Me. Good job. All right. Who's next? You're totally good, Kyla. Totally good. And it's graded. Do you see your grade? Did it show up on your end?
It shows that it doesn't have a grade yet.
Okay. Let me see. Oh, there it is. Update grade. Boom. Okay, check it out now.
Yeah, I see it.
Awesome sauce. Good job, boo. All right, let me know. Give me some thumbs up. How we doing? How we doing? Let's see. 1, 2. All right. It's okay. Go ahead and press submit on the quiz though. So everybody, I know you're still uploading work. That's fine, but press submit on the quiz. Go ahead and turn the quiz in. Everybody, even if you're still uploading work, press submit on the quiz. Everybody, right now, press submit on the quiz. Everybody, press submit. Everybody, since I got the first question wrong. I'm going to look back at it right now. Everybody press submit. Click true and then press submit.
I got the first question wrong too.
I know, it's probably a rounding error, so don't worry about it. I'm about to go look at it. Bam, 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 bam. What do we get? One second. Oop. Add an answer. 39. Let me see. View attempt. Press submit. Press submit. Everybody, press submit. Please. Go press submit. Brian, I think that fixed it. Go check. Lydia, check. Let's see. Press submit. Lydia, you put a comma instead of a decimal point. It's okay. I fixed it for you, Lydia. It's okay. I was like, how did you get that? Oh, it's a comma. It's okay. I fixed it for you. All right. Let's see. Cameron, press submit. Paris, go ahead and press submit when you're ready. Brian, press submit. Brian, it fixed it, it looked like. Michaela, you're good. Daniel, press submit. Okay. Let me see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at us getting things done in this class. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. Beautiful. Okay. All right. Let's do the next one. Now we're going to do, now we're going to do another one. We're going to do grams to mole. Grams to mole. Everybody. I got two wrong. Oh no, I see. Let's see what happened. Because you wrote down the wrong number. Silly goose. Silly goose. I fixed it. All right. Yes. All right, this is what I need us to do. Harris, I'm looking at yours too. While Miss Stanley is looking at this, everybody needs to go pull up the grams to mole. It is in the same folder. It is in the same folder. Paris, you skipped a question. You skipped question 6. That's why I didn't give you the right grade. Madison, we're still working. So keep working. Everyone go and pull up the grams to mole. It is in the same folder. Monday, Tuesday folder, grams to mole. Everybody see that? Yes, yes. Grams to mole. Oops. Okay. So we're all going to have different questions. So we're going to work it with Miss Stanley. Okay. So, all right. So this is grams to mole. Let me see. What does this button do? That's not the button I wanted to push. So looking on my screen, I don't know. I think everybody has a different number 1, right? Let's see. Does everybody's number 1 start with how many moles are there in 689 grams? Is that everybody? No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Okay, awesome. So everybody look on my screen. So everyone should be looking at my screen for right now because we're going to submit this work in a second. Okay, so on your paper, so new piece of paper, everybody ready? Everybody ready? Everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Yes, okay. Great. All right, so this one, this is called the grams to mole. Okay. So this one we're going to title it number 1. Okay. April is making tea and has 32.9 grams of CH3O. How much does she have? For this one, guys, we would just be moving these blocks. Okay. So answer your choice 1, 2, or 3. Which one is going to go in our very first blank? We're going to start with our given. So answer choice 1, 2, or 3 is going to go in our first blank. Answer choice 1, which is 32.9. Answer choice 2, which is 1 mole. Or answer choice 3, which is 31 grams. Which one is going to go in our very first blank? Okay, Michaela and Brian say 1. Does anybody else agree or disagree? Agree or disagree? Madison and Cameron both say 1. Anybody else have any ideas? Let me get one more person. Good. Okay, we're going to do 32.9 grams of CH3O. CH3O. So this should be on your paper. Okay. Now, my main rule is that you can't see my paper at all. 1 second. My main rule is that if I start with a certain amount of units on top, then I have to have that unit in the basement, right? Next door. So if I have grams of CH3O up top, what do I have to have next door? Which answer choice has to go next door? Is it going to be answer choice 2 or 3? Which one has to go in this bottom bracket down here? Answer choice 2 or 3? Sorry. Which one has to go down here? Answer choice 2 or 3? Brian says 3. Which answer choice has to go down here? Good. Cameron says 3. And that is correct because we need grams of CH3O to cancel out. Good job, Madison. All right, so what does that leave us on top? Answer choice what? Good. So answer choice 2 is going to go on top. And we're done. Yep. It's that simple. All right. Let's do number 2. April is making tea and has 4 moles. How many grams does she have? All right. Number 2. We have 4 moles. All right. So what's going to go in my top bracket? Which answer choice is going to go right here? Brian says answer choice 1. Anybody agree with him? Cameron agrees with you. What's going to go right here? My given. And my given, good job, is 4 moles of CH3O. Good job, everybody. Now here's a tricky one. Remember, things have to cancel out diagonally. So what has to go down here? If I have moles of CH3, what has to go down here? I have moles of CH3, so what has to go down here to cancel out? Which answer choice? Okay. Brian says 2, but Cameron says 3. Let's see who might be right. If I have to cancel out my units, I have moles up here, which means I have to have moles down here so that they can cancel out. They have to cancel out. So that means I'll have 1 mole. And what's going to go on top? Answer choice what? I mean, it's the only one left, right? So answer choice 3 is going to go on top. Everybody okay? Yes, no, maybe so. Madison, give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Awesome. All right, our next one says how many moles are in 680 grams of MgCl2? All right, so we're looking for moles. We've been given grams. So which option choice is going to go in the first blank? Option choice, option 1, 2, or 3. Which one? Cameron says 1. Because our given goes here, and good job, Cameron. It is our given. All right, now what's going to go downstairs next door? What's going to go down here so that it can cancel out? Option choice who? Who's going to go down here? Because we got to be able to cancel out. I have grams up here. So that means I need what down here? No, I need grams because grams cancel out with grams. Grams don't cancel out with moles. Grams cancel out with grams. It has to be the same. Okay. I know we have moles up here and then we have grams up here, but all that matters is that it cancels out. So these grams cancel out with those grams. These moles cancel out with these moles. And so this gram is going to cancel out with this gram. It's going to be grams of MgCl2. Does that make a little bit more sense, Cameron? Awesome. All right, so I'm going to have 95.21 grams. And on top, what am I going to have? Good. 1 mole MgCl2. Good job. All right. Let's do number 4. All right. This one, you're going to have to draw in your answers because I filled in what goes where, but your job is to draw in the answers when you do get this question, okay? So number 4. Romeo has 342 grams of MgSO3 2. How many moles does he have? I'm going to give you the molar mass. So go ahead and write this over here. The molar mass of Mg SO4 is 24.305 plus. I didn't get to finish the first one, so can you go back? Yes. Ooh. There you go. I got you, boo. I got you. Where is it? Where is it? Where's the test? Where's the test? Here it is. MgS 0.066 times 2, 10.99 times 6. So the molar mass is going to be 184.431 grams. All right, so let's start with what we know. What have we been given? There you go. There's the molar mass. We've been given 342 grams of MgSO3 2. Okay. We need moles of MgSO3 2. Okay. Start with your given. Okay. What number is going to go down here with grams of MgSO3 2? What number is going to go down there with grams of MgSO3 2? What's going to go with grams of MgSO32? Yes, 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 yes. The molar mass. Good job, Brian. The molar mass. So it's going to be 184.431. What am I going to have on top, Brian? Or anybody? Beautiful. It's going to be 1 mole MgSO32. Okay. We multiply across the top. What's my number going to be for the bottom? Since I don't have anything for it to be multiplied across by, it's going to be 184.431. And when I divide those, what do you get? What do you get when you divide them? What do you get when you divide these two numbers? Yep. Give me 3 digits. Give me 3 digits and put that in the blank when you get there. So you're going to have to divide these on your own. All right, so we have 2 minutes. Please let us try to get through this last one. All right. How many moles are in 574? Grams of H2O. We need moles of H2O. Okay. What's going to go in this top left-hand box? What's going in this top left-hand box? What number? Good job, the given. So 574.9 grams going in that top hand box. What's going in the basement, Brian? Or anybody? We need the molar mass. Good job. The molar mass for water is 18 grams. 18 grams, 1 mole. We're going to do that math. Get your final answer. Okay. Yes, yes. All right, so that is the end of class, my loves. We got a lot, we got a lot of stuff done today, and I could not be more proud of you all. That was some good work. So I'm gonna zoom out a little bit so you can hype that. Nope. Nope. Okay, just kidding. I'm gonna pull this down just a little bit so you can see all the work. This is number 1. Okay, and I need this submitted. So you'll need to go in and put your answers in. You can do that right now before you go over to your 4th block class, and I would. So go ahead and take some time to complete this test. This is the grams to mole in week 13, Monday, Tuesday folder. So please go ahead and submit that too. Okay. And then you may skedaddle because class is over and you crushed it. You guys absolutely crushed it today. So if you need to screenshot this, go ahead and screenshot it. It's about to go away. So if you need to screenshot it, go ahead and screenshot it. I can also screenshot it and drop it in the chat for you. And then you may skedaddle, loves, because y'all worked really, really hard. We got a lot of stuff done, and I'm super proud of you. Okay? There's that work. Go ahead, please go ahead and do this. Go ahead right now. Put your answers in. You already have it pulled up. It's right there waiting on you. So go ahead and just knock it out. Go ahead and knock it out. Even if you've already done it, go ahead and give it a second try. And then once you're finished, you may sign out. Bye, Michaela. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Go ahead. This, guys. Go ahead and knock this out. Go ahead and do this. Go ahead and do this. Put your answers in. Good job. I see you working, Sean. I see you, Madison. And Cameron's on here too. Good. Lydia, Lydia, are you still on the call? No, Lydia's not. Go ahead and get your stuff submitted, my loves, and have a good day. Email me if you need me, okay?